Hello everybody! In this video I'm going to show you one of my latest extensions that I made for the content management system TYPO3, which is the most awesome open source tool that I've ever seen. Okay, so what does this extension do? Let's have a look at my screen. The goal was to have all the font awesome icons always like up to date, available in my TYPO3 installation, either for my template or for things in the backend. The idea was to provide the latest font awesome library. I mean, the whole folder, including fonts and everything, is included in this extension. So what does it do right now? The first version, or version 1.10 right now. Let's have a look into the code. I'm going to explain you what this extension is going to do. So the file structure is pretty simple and classic. If you look at the resources folder first, there's a private and public folder. Inside of the public folder there's a libs folder, and there is this font awesome free 5.15.2 web version. So it contains all the data that you need. It's basically the whole library that you download on the Font Awesome website. The important files are this file, the icons, this file, sorry, icons JSON file. It's a 3 megabyte file, which basically contains all the icons and all the names and everything you need to know about this icon. So what I'm doing with this extension is I've created some special icon class, and I'm simply loading the file into my PHP utility controller and render it into the TCA of the pages table. So what I did for now in this first initial version is I create a special extra database field in the pages table, and then with this TCA configuration I'm going to add the FA icon, font awesome icon, to the page properties, right? So in other words, let's have a look into the back end, how it looks in the back end. First thing we need to do is download the extension. Let's go to the extension manager here. Oh, by the way, this backend is in German, but I guess you understand what I mean. In English, this is just called extension manager or extensions. So let's have a look if my extension already exists. I just uploaded it yesterday to the official TYPO3 repository. Here we go, but it's still version 1.0, which is kind of old, outdated. The latest version is 1.10, so I'm going to download this version here. Pretty simple. Takes a second. A lot of traffic, I guess, today. Well, this might happen with the TYPO3 repository, that it's pretty slow. Here we go. Let's put this into my download folder. 6 megabyte because it includes all the font awesome icons. So I'm just gonna click here and let's make it super easy. Let's just drag it here. Oh, that's not gonna work, only on a Mac. Choose the file. Open. Upload. Okay, FA icon has been installed. Wonderful. So in order to see the icons, you can just click on page properties on any page, and you'll see the font awesome selector here right away. So here are all the icons that I showed you before from the JSON file. They're all here, a couple of hundred icons. So you can, for example, you enter font awesome, and here we go. This is the font awesome icon. Right now there's no preview, so you can't see the icons, but this is coming. This is currently in work. It will come with version 2 of FA icon extension. So let's save this. What happens now is the class name of this icon, specific icon, is written into the database. That's it. you can access it everywhere you access pages, page records. So you have this field in your database, and in any kind of third-party extension or your own custom extension you're doing, or whatever you're doing, you can access this field to display the icon wherever you want. For now, we also need to include the TypoScript templates in order to show icons in the front end. So here I was just looking on the right side to include my library, but it was already here because, you know, this is sometimes I'm tricking out myself. I'm gonna leave this in the video for you guys, how to show you how that everybody makes mistakes, you know. This thing was already here on this left side. I was just searching and I was thinking, where is my static TypoScript? So this is the TypoScript we need to include if we're using the TYPO3 Bootstrap package, which is the case in this video. And I'm just gonna leave it like this and save it again. And so basically I should be able to see icons in the front end now, but what I did is I selected an icon for the root page, so we will not see anything because it's the root page. Let's choose any random page here, customize, and go to the page properties. There's already an icon selected. So what's going on, guys? I've already used this extension in this TYPO3 installation here. So all the icons are set already. In this case, all we need to do is let's clear the cache for the front end and let's see the front end if it actually works. So this is my basic front end before I've installed my FA icon extension. Let's refresh it. Ta-da! Icon, example icon, and here we go, more icons. So this is what this extension does. It enables you to use Font Awesome icons latest version, because I'm gonna update this extension frequently, so you don't need to worry about the latest version of Font Awesome in your website. Of course, you can also use the CSS that's delivered by this extension for the rest of your website. So you can think about excluding Font Awesome if you have it in another place, like if another extension already includes it, or your theme, you might think about using the Font Awesome CSS of my extension, because it's going to be up to date, always going to be updated automatically. So all you need to do is do all the updates via download or the TYPO3 extension manager. Okay, I'm currently working on Composer install, preview for icons in the backend, and many other features. So this extension is going to be, I think it's going to be developed. If you want to support development, I'm going to be very happy to receive a little donation. You find the link under the video. Thanks for watching. I think that's it for today. See you guys soon.